Hello, welcome to the introduction section of our web development course. If you actually checked our course outline, we are going to have 19 different chapters, excluding the introduction. So the introduction is just to tell you a brief history about what HTML is. We will go into the details when we go into each of the chapters. So when we talk about HTML, what does it mean? What is HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The H is for hyper, T for text, M for markup, and L for language. Hypertext Markup Language. Now, it is the standard markup language for creating web pages and websites. Most websites you see in this world, or anything you see on your web browser, technically was created or has some form of markup in it. And the basic language, even though it's not technically a programming language, that was used in creating the beautiful things we see on our browsers all the time, is HTML. When we go into the details, we are going to appreciate it further. Now, HTML is also used in what? Describing the structure of a web page. That is our first chapter, structure. We are going to explain what structure is, what structure must a website take, what structure is required of us to follow. Because it is a particular language, it follows a particular order. If you don't do it in that order, you are going to get some challenges. Now, when we are doing HTML, we are going to talk a lot about elements. In fact, everything about HTML is elements and tags. Element, tags, element, tags. Now, when we say an element simply means a tag, two different tags, an opening tag and a closing tag. Now, in between an opening tag and a close tag, there is a content between it. Now, from the opening tag to the closing tag, including the content, is what we call an element. Now I'm going to talk about tags. Not all the elements or not all the tags also have content in between. We will go into the details when we start working on our text editors ourselves. So HTML describes the structure of a web page as you see it here. It describes the structure. What structure do you want the website to take? What form should it be in? What should come first before the other? Now it says HTML element tell the browser how to display the content. Everything about HTML is what? It's about elements. When we get into the details, we are going to what? Appreciate it the better. Thank you.